Hey friends, welcome to another episode of SMARTDrive. This is your host Vishwajit. Today we are having a quick episode on how to clean the engine air filter of Suzuki Vitara Brezza. Now you can clearly see how I opened the latch and the engine hood is open right now. We have a safety latch over here, and now it's time to open the main compartment. This cabin written Suzuki over it has a air filter inside it. So you need one screwdriver or a wrench with the number 8 written on it to open this cabin. So now let's see the filter available here. So as you can clearly see, the filter is in a gray shade right now. The original shade was bit brighter, but right now after 1 year use, you can see the dirt is deposited already in the filter. So this is the model number. You can see this is made in India by Suzuki. This is the actual procedure you can use. With the pneumatic pressure, you can have a vacuum cleaner as well. In the reverse side, you can blow the air into the filter to clean the pores, and you will find that the original pickup is back like a brand new car. So this is the cleaning procedure done by the service centers, but you can do it at your home as well to increase the pickup. So that was all about the cleaning, and right now it is time to keep the filter at its place. Confirm that the seals are covered properly and make sure that the lid is closed completely, and that's it. We have to just tighten up all the nuts properly. Thanks for watching. This is Vishwa signing off from SMARTDrive.